Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Well, I was wanting to see how the 90 Avanti handled the wind. Well, I'm going to get my wish today. It's windy. You may not be able to tell real much from the sound, but I got the new mic now. Last time you watched this video of this, sound was bad in the remaking of it, and our mic died on us. So now I went ahead and got up off my wallet and bought a quality DJI wireless mic, and hopefully we won't have any problem with audio issues, because the videos are just far too important for me to give to y'all to have where you can't hear me or got a bunch of interference. So went ahead and spent the money and got a nicer mic. So never thought I'd spend $179 on a mic, but I did. Alright, well anyways, we're going to try the Avanti. Got a 5000 Turnigy graphene. In fact, I think that's the only battery I've flown this jet. This will be the third flight on this Avanti, and actually my 6th time flying this jet. The first 3 were the last Avanti, and the FMS gave me a replacement one because it had a board problem. The control board was bad, and they sent me out the new one. And so this is the third flight on the new one. Right, left, up, down, right, left. 100% throws, 30% expo, and my only, as far as the flap mix goes, for takeoff flaps, I have is 20% down. And with no mix and with landing is 70%, positive 70% down with a 10% down elevator. But with today's wind, I doubt we'll be, I don't know, just seeing how fast she comes in. We do have braking, which is very effective in this plane. All right, get back on my dashboard here. Okay, a little nervous of the wind, but we're going to see how she does. Let me get over here. Wind is kind of cross runway, so I do have to deal with that. Also means my approach is coming from the sun, which I have to deal with that. But wham, 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 right? Just get up and fly. All right. Absolute amazing jet. Amazing jet. All right. Timer set for 4 minutes. Here we go. Got the KM model afterburner in her. Yeah, I can definitely tell the wind is messing with her. Not too bad though. Taking it up now.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a hard time landing her.
Landing flaps.
I am gonna have to use landing flaps. Yeah, yeah. Folks, this is not a plane that was given to me. It's $569, and I paid $569. I'm gonna take her up again, so if I seem like I'm being a little overly cautious, it's because I'm flying this plane through my wallet. All right. Yes, I do get some planes for free, but this is not one of them. All right, let's do takeoff flaps just because.
Gear is 1 minute.
We'll make one pass with the gear up, and then we're going to land it, hit the gear back down. In fact, we'll cut that pass early.
Retract deploy. Landing flaps. "30 seconds.
A little bit of grass hops there.
20 seconds.
All right.
Flaps are up.
Well, we're going to call it quits there. Well, you know what? We'll check the battery real quick.
Prop is secured.
Still
Safe to approach.
got 18 seconds left. Let's check the battery, and if I'm at like 40 or 50%, then I'll go up one more time. But like I said, I'm flying this one through my wallet, folks. This is not a plane that was given. And you know, and I'll be honest, even if, well, I'm going to be honest anyways, but it's kind of a dumb thing to say. I'm going to treat every plane no matter what, whether I paid for it or if it was given to me. Doesn't matter. 55%. So yeah, I'm going to plug the afterburner back in, just like it was. 55%. So we can definitely afford one more go around. All right. So really, I'm thinking you could probably get 4.5 minutes of good flying with this thing.
Motor is armed.
Pretty easy.
Careful.
I like that. Motor is armed. Be careful. All right.
Take off.
KM Models, thank you for the afterburner. It is awesome. All right, let me get back here.
Gear is up.
We'll do one with the gear down.
Great land the plane now. Retract deploy.
All right.
Landing flaps.
Gears down. I'm awfully high though. I'm okay.
Hitting the brake. Flaps are up. Cruise mode.
It is windy. Yeah, just a little too windy today. And unfortunately, according to the radar on the Weather Channel, it's going to be this way till dark. So, I guess our weather's getting ready for that big hurricane headed our way. All right, well, 49 seconds over on a 4-minute timer, so almost 5 minutes of flying.
Prop is secured. Safe to approach.
All right, let's see how much is left in the battery now. How much gas is left in the gas tank? %. Perfect storage rate. Perfect storage rate. All right, so 5 minutes, easy. 4.5 minutes if you're going to hit it hard, okay? On a 5,000. All right, folks, there you go. That is the FMS 90 18th year anniversary for FMS, their Avanti. The Avanti itself no matter what Avanti you get, whether it's the free wing one, this one, the 70mm for FMS, the Arrow's little 50mm, or the Marlin, which that actually is an Avanti by design. The only thing the Marlin's missing, it doesn't have this keel back here. But make no mistake, that's an Avanti by in the way it flies. No matter what you get, the Avanti is a great flying, stable sport jet design, and I highly recommend. Would I say this would be your first jet? Probably not. Not a 90mm. But if you've got a 70, a good 64, maybe a 70 under your belt, maybe even the 80 under your belt, and you can fly them with no problem, and you got a good sport jet experience, then you'd be ready for this. So this may be a good, maybe a third or fourth jet. It can maybe be your second jet if you're careful and you know, don't get in a big hurry, you know, and have a lot of warbird experience. But anyways, the biggest thing is that you are comfortable with landing with speed. A low wing will teach you to land with some speed, and that's what you got to learn with on a jet. You got to land with speed. You can't float it in. It's got to come with some speed. Otherwise, you're going to drop the wing on you quickly, and you're going to have bad things happen, and you're going to think, what a stupid hobby, and you're going to get discouraged and give it up. No, 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 no. Pick it up, glue it back, fly it again. Okay? Don't give up. It is rewarding. It is such a rewarding hobby, and I recommend it to anyone. Folks, thank you for watching. God bless y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends. God is great, and that is the FMS 18th year anniversary Avanti. Bye-bye.